today I'm going to show you how you can make bootable Windows or bootable Ubuntu, any operating system using your Mac. Probably you see a lot of videos on YouTube, but you're still confused how you can make it. Don't worry, I'm here. I will show you how you can do it. Let's do it. First, you need to download the applications. This one, it's just so easy to download. Just download this one. I already have this one. Is for Windows, Mac, Linux, all of them, so you can use any of them you like. So I already have. Go to download these applications, just move into applications. Done. Now I'm going to open these applications. Okay, allow. It will take a little bit time because it's a little bit heavy applications. Don't worry, wait until it's done. Open the application. So I'm going to plug in the USB drive into my computer. Okay, just now I'm to choose the operating system. I can choose anything like Windows OS or Linux, anything. So I'm going to choose OS, Windows OS. Okay, then select the drive. I want to select my drive, then just start. Yeah, I'm gonna need my password to allow it. Yeah, it's done. It's started automatically. Do everything. You don't need to do anything. Just stay calm.